Hi guys, it's Kent. Today I'm making zombie blood.
The ingredients you need are
You need glue, spoon, a bag for your slime, some real life monster. First you pour in some glue. And I think too you stop at the monster blood. Like that. And now we mix it with the spoon.
it's making slime, Keon.
We may add a little bit more.
I'll pour it in. And guys, make sure you help your little brothers or little sisters with this because this is boric acid right here. This is real life monster blood, and monster blood has borax in it. So make sure you be careful. You don't want to burn your hairs, and make sure you wear gloves.
But you see, I know I'm not wearing gloves. I can't say it.
So I guess if I cough, oh my god, on the phone. Oh, that's why we have a towel. You may want to add a lot.
Oh, isn't that cool? Monster blood's so cool, Keon. Mix it, mix it, mix it. I can't believe adding monster blood. Yeah, monster blood, Keon. I'm getting really into slime. This works, see? Wish I had like some more glue or add a lemon. Listen, take some more monster blood. I'm sorry if I start coughing and sniffles. I'm a little sick.
The blood. A teeny bit.
You did a teeny bit and you added so much. It's because you need more glue than Keon because that was a lot.
Thanks.
You don't need any more monster blood, I think.
And
Use a lot of glue. Keon's gonna make a very big monster blood batch.
yep. Because what?
If you don't need any more monster blood, then Keon, once we go on with it, I'm gonna give you gloves because you don't want to touch it with your fingers because you could burn yourself.
Yeah. Because I don't have slime hands.
So what we use some regular soap water, sink water I mean, and we use some monster blood sugar, which is actually boric acid. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. What do you think about that, Keon?
I think so. This will stay on the tower forever. And I don't know that.
Okay.
If someone wash it, it will still be on there.
Don't mix in. You feel it. Oh, okay.
And I'm
Wanna add a
really,
little bit more monster blood?
that easy a little bit. It look like a lot.
Not a lot.
It look like it.
Oh my god.
This is getting all white.
Keep it on the tape. Keep it on the towel. Don't. Can I do some mixing? All right, you guys. So Keon totally ruined the slime, but guess what? The queen of slime fixed it, right, Keon?
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and tell friends and family about my channel.